So friends, in today's lecture we are going to learn Microsoft Whiteboard. It is one of my favorite because it makes my online teaching very effective, and you can download it with the help of Google search engine or through Microsoft Store or any other platform that you want to use. Okay, so just download it, and remember one thing: you can download it with the help of your Microsoft ID, and if you do not have your Microsoft ID, just create it, and it is totally free of cost. So let's explore its feature. So this is the landing page of Microsoft Whiteboard. Here you can find there's a toolbar, there's a setting menu. Okay, so let's explore its feature one by one. So the very first feature I'm going to explain you, add text. Okay, just click on this, drag and drop anywhere on the screen where you require, and just like this is my first lesson, lesson 1. Now I want to draw some shapes here. So for this, the very first tool is switch to inking mode. Just click on this. Okay, it provides me a wide range of pen like black, blue, green, one of my favorite, Rainbow pen, Galaxy pen, highlighter, eraser, ruler, and so on. So let's click on this black pen. Okay, as I click on this black pen, a dot appears like this. Okay, so just click on this dot. You can adjust its point, or you can use any other color also. So just adjust this. Okay, like this. You can also just okay. So this is all about. So suppose I want to draw triangle like this, circle like this, rectangle, okay, and then square, but it is not up to the mark, is edges are not proper. So what can I do for that? So Microsoft Whiteboard provides me a wonderful feature. First of all, I have to clear this. Okay, so when I go at eraser, click on this. Okay, and just clear all such things. Okay, and you can easily see I am unable to erase this. ओके, सो इरेज़र सिर्फ उन्हीं चीज़ों को इरेज करेगा जो कि आपने राइट या ड्रॉ करी विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस पेन. ओके, सो नाउ गो एट सेटिंग मेनू. ओके, and just activate ink to shape. Initially it is deactivate. Okay, so I want to activate this. So just click on this, it activates. Okay, so now just draw a shape. Okay, like this I want to draw triangle. So आप देख सकते हैं इसने विद इन अ सेकेंड मेरी इंक को डिटेक्ट करके इसे किस में कन्वर्ट कर दिया, शेप में. तो डेट्स वाई इस टूल का नाम क्या है, इंक टू शेप. सपोज आई वांट टू ड्रॉ सर्कल लाइक दिस. सपोज आई वांट टू ड्रॉ स्क्वायर like this. Suppose I want to draw triangle, rectangle, you can add like this. Okay, so it is a wonderful feature that now the next feature I'm going to explain you, that is, so before this let me first explain you this thing. Suppose I want to add some note. Okay, first I want to add notes, so just click on this add note button. Okay, so in today's class we are going to learn about shapes, or anything that you want to return, you can return it. Suppose I want to give the name of the shape, so again I'm using add text like this, drag and drop here, and just type triangle. Okay, similarly in this way आप सभी shapes को नाम दे सकते हैं. Okay, और if I want to add some image here, so just click on this image menu. Okay, now this there are 3 options available here, but at that time I'm using this library image. इसका मतलब ये है कि जो जिस भी इमेज की आपको रिक्वायरमेंट है और जो कि आपके पीसी पे स्टोर है, आप उसे यहाँ इंपोर्ट कर सकते हैं लाइक दिस. क्लिक ऑन दिस library image. Suppose I want this one triangle. Just open it. Okay, you can also increase its size, decrease, rotate it, or you can also delete it, but just clicking you can cut it, copy it, cut it and delete. Okay, so and this 2 button is also there, undo or redo. Suppose I want to undo my action, that just click on this. By mistake I delete this image and I want to get it back, so I just click on undo. And if I want to again repeat my action, so just redo. Okay, now or with either you press this button or just press control plus Z. Okay, so it appears, and I do not want this image, so just delete it. Okay, now the third thing is clear canvas. Okay, you can clear the canvas by in 2 ways. First way is go at setting menu, and here you found the clear canvas. Okay, all my stuff is clear, but I do not want to clear this, so just undo my action. Okay, now after explaining this, I want to clear this, so again I am going to switch to inking mode. Just click on this and just click on eraser button. Okay, so okay, on double clicking it, it provides clear canvas option. Just click on this. Again all the messy stuff is clear. Highlighter button. Okay, just undo my action. Okay, highlighter button I can use to highlight a particular text. So suppose highlighter color, I can also change the color of highlighter. Just click on this. Okay, width of highlighter. Okay, suppose I want this pink color, click on this, and this highlight. You can also highlight a particular text. You can again also erase this highlight. Okay,